So how are we going to catch them? How are you going to catch them?
The first technique I just fucking lure them out and grab them. Chinese make soup. Hello, darling.
Okay, alright, so
that's the bird we want. Let's pick some fucking pork. See this one with the bad toe here?
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong with that? There's something wrong with his toe. Oh, he's got string all over.
You are the bravest person I ever met. I am so afraid of pigeons. Are you a pigeon flyer or something?
I eat them.
You eat them? Well, go ahead for you, because I hate them.
Watch.
You hear me, camera?
Watch.
I hate pigeons.
Watch.
What are you doing to him?
Having sex.
Obviously.
Now he's got the string caught on his feet. Look at that, you lucky little bastard.